In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change Roblox Kids account restrictions. Let's get started. First, before you can change any restriction, you need to make sure your parent account is properly linked to your child's Roblox account. Without this link, you won't be able to access or modify any of the safety settings. To begin the linking process, log in to your child's Roblox account and go to settings by tapping the gear icon on the desktop or a three-dot menu on the mobile device. From there, head into the Parental Controls tab and select the option that says Add Parent. Now you will be asked to enter your parent's email address, so make sure you use a valid email that you can access. After entering the email, check your inbox for a verification message from Roblox. Follow the instructions in the email to continue the setup process. In some cases, Roblox may require additional verification such as scanning a QR code with your phone and confirming your identity using a government ID or credit card for security purposes. Once everything is verified, you will be prompted to accept the request and officially link the accounts. After the accounts are linked, you can log into the parent account and go to Settings, Parental Controls. Inside Parental Controls, you will be able to adjust important settings like content maturity, communication limits, and spending controls, giving you full control over what your child can access and do on Roblox. And that's it. This is how you can change Roblox Kids account restriction. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.